Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Calamp K-12 Student Transport Tracking app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Calamp K-12 is a student transportation tracking app designed to help parents, guardians, and school districts monitor school buses in real time. It provides accurate GPS-based bus locations, estimated arrival times, route information, and instant alerts, helping families plan school commutes more safely and efficiently. The app is used by many school districts and works on both iOS and Android. The app's main feature is real-time bus tracking. Parents can see exactly where the school bus is, get notifications when it approaches the stop, and receive alerts for delays, route changes, or unexpected events. Schools use it to improve communication and enhance transportation safety, while parents benefit from reduced uncertainty in daily routines. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accurate GPS tracking, timely notifications, and the peace of mind it provides. Parents find it especially useful during bad weather, traffic delays, or early morning schedules. Districts also report improved efficiency and fewer parent inquiries because the app keeps everyone informed. However, there are some drawbacks. The app's performance depends heavily on district integration, meaning not all schools support every feature. Some users report occasional GPS delays or app downtime, and accuracy may vary based on the bus hardware installed. In addition, the app requires consistent internet connectivity, which can affect tracking in low-signal areas. In summary, the Calamp K-12 app may be worth using if you want reliable school bus tracking, timely updates, and improved visibility into your child's daily commute. However, if your district hasn't fully adopted the system or you experience frequent connectivity issues, the app may feel less essential. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.